Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can add funds on your Uber Eats account. To fund your Uber Eats account, first of all, you can simply open a web browser. Type in ubereats.com inside the URL box and press enter to end up on the official website for Uber Eats. You can also open Uber Eats application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're signed into your account. And after you are, go ahead and click on the 3 menu button at the top left corner. Now, in the expanded menu, select Wallet and click on it. You will be able to see your funds and your balance at the top of the screen. To fund your Uber Eats account, click on the Add Payment Method option. Now, click on Connect a bank account or a debit card and click on the bank account option. Once you click on bank account, select your bank account you'd like to fund your Uber Eats account with and enter your bank account's credentials when prompted. And that way you will be able to fund your Uber Eats account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.